Okay, let's take a look at this problem. And let me clear that off. Okay, so I have x squared plus 6x minus 27 equal to 0. Now completing the square. Step 1 is to divide everything by the number in front of your x squared. There is no number in front of our x squared, so we don't have to do that step. Step 2, we're going to take our constant term, the number, to the right side. So I'll take negative 27 over. Now when you take anything across your equals, your sign changes, so the negative 27 becomes a positive 27. Now step 3, take the numbers before your x, which is 6, including a sign. So if that was a negative 6, we'd have a negative 6. You multiply it times a half and you square it. It's always times a half and it's always squared. 6 times a half is 3, so we got 3 squared, which gives us 9. And then we want to add that to both sides. So we're going to have x squared plus 6x plus 9 is equal to 27 plus 9. Gives us x squared plus 6x plus 9. And 27 plus 9 is, what is that, 36? Yeah, 36. Now step 4 is to factor the left side. This factors as x plus 3 squared. Now, there is no factoring involved there. Right before you square over here, whatever number's right here is always what goes right here, sign included. This is a positive 3, so that's why we put a plus 3 here. If that had been a negative 3, we would have put a negative 3 here. Step 5. Solve using the square root property. If you got something squared equal to something else, you drop your squared, and you put a plus or minus square root around the other side. Now I'm going to take that 3 and move it over, so that becomes a negative 3, plus or minus. Now 36 is 6 times 6. And with a square root, we're looking for a pair of somethings. Here's a pair of 6, so those pair of 6s is going to come out in front as a single 6. Now when your radical disappears and you don't have an I, then you can split these into two separate pieces. Because what that plus or minus means is we're going to have x is equal to negative 3 plus 6, and we'll have x is equal to negative 3 minus 6. Negative 3 plus 6 is 3, and negative 3 negative 6 is negative 9. So our two answers will be 3 and negative 9. Simplify your answer. Use a comma to separate. So 3 and negative 9. And that's how you'd work that problem.